these you'll be able to store in the freezer. So we're gonna start with this one. This is such a wonderful side dish, or even as a meal itself. It's a gratinata di vegetables, right?
Ooh.
So it's really use whatever you like, and I have some yellow zucchini and green zucchini. Topping is gonna be the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna ask you to put that there. So on the base of this, I just have some sauteed onion. Okay, so see this?
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you to add lots of olive oil. I'm gonna add some garlic. This topping is used for anything. Put it on fish. Put it on a grilled chicken. It's gonna be absolutely delicious. You went a little light. You went a little light.
Okay, I'll put some more.
Where's your Greek and Italian background, right?
I'm so worried about using too much olive oil. So I'm like,
no, you can never have too much.
I know. It's the good stuff.
So the idea is you layer that, go as tightly as you want or as loosely, and then you put that on top. Doesn't that look amazing?
So, and that's just parsley in there, yeah?
Just parsley, and you can use whatever herbs and a little bit of parmigiano. Bake that in the oven. Look what you have. I have here a sample for you.
Okay, I get to try a little bit.
Yes. Careful, it might be a little hot still.
We have this beautiful yellow zucchini.
Nice. Okay, what do you think? Good?
Delicious.
Okay, so that would make a beautiful lunch and certainly a lovely side dish. Okay, look what I did. I poured all of these in here. Whatever vegetables you have, cauliflower, broccoli, even cabbage would work. Again, I'm gonna ask you to drizzle this olive oil and go generous,
Is there a big difference, or are these just different brands?
So the brands of olive oils do make a difference. It depends where they're from, what type of olive they use. But the idea is to really be generous and use a good quality olive oil.
I think that was generous enough.
I'm sure. I saw you out of the corner of my eye.
Okay, good.
And we're gonna add some salt. Anyway, you're gonna roast this on a really hot oven, like 450 degrees.
Okay.
Look at this. So
my
again,
goodness, so easy.
This could be a side dish, or make it into a salad, or just make it as a dish in itself, a really good quality balsamic vinegar, and you are ready to go.
I'm using the same.
Oh, do you smell the balsamic? Careful, piping hot.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Another zucchini. Very good. Good. Nice. Okay. You can even add a little bit of goat cheese or gorgonzola on that. Be lovely.
Oh, so good.
Last one. And think big. You're not going to make a small batch of soup. Make a big batch of soup. I already have some onions and garlic going, and I'm going to ask you to maybe chop up this little zucchini here. So what's this about the right size of zucchini?
So yes, Frankie was telling us that you don't want it to grow too big.
Because it goes spongy, right?
Yes, yes.
So this is a perfect size. So we've got zucchini. Look what I have here. Carrots, potatoes, my garden tomatoes. We're gonna add all that into that base of olive oil with garlic and onion. We're gonna add my
well-cut zucchini.
Well-cut for sure. And then never mind the stock, never mind those little cubes and packets. You don't know what's in there. Just use water.
Just water.
Just water and a good quality olive oil. You're gonna let that simmer, and in the last 10 minutes, okay, we're gonna go back to our childhood.
Yes, we're gonna break up some of these pastas.
This is sacrilegious.
It is, only if it's like spaghetti, but this one's okay.
Okay, so this is mafalda from Nardini's. Try to find a really cute pasta.
Yeah, with the little ridges.
Yeah, it makes it so much more interesting. And in the last 10 minutes of cooking, so this is gonna cook for about an hour, I'm gonna add that, simmer it, and then you can add some beans to it to give it extra protein. And then, of course, what's the last thing you do before you serve?
Olive oil.
You got it. So a little drizzle of olive oil there. This one here comes from Crotone in Calabria. Actually, we went to go visit the farm where they make this olive oil. It's absolutely amazing. And some more cheese on top. Marisa, thank you so much for these incredible ways to use all of our fresh harvest in 3 different ways. We'll have all of these recipes up on our website, chch.com/morninglive. Good morning. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna keep eating some. Yes, thank you so much. So good. Lovely.